So now we're working with multi-step equations, which means we're going to have to do more than one step. So let's look at A. 5y take 6 equals 79. So we're going to want to work with y, and we can start by looking at y and thinking to ourselves, what's happening to y? Well, first it's being multiplied by 5, and after that we're taking away 6. Now in multi-step equations we do these things in reverse, so we're going to work in the opposite direction, okay? Which means we're going to start by adding 6 to both sides. So I'm going to add 6 to this side, which means I add 6 to this side. That's going to leave us with 5y equal to 79 plus 6, which is 85. So I've done this step. Now I want to do the step above in reverse. Instead of timesing by 5, I'm going to divide by 5. So I'm going to divide this side by 5, and I'm going to divide this side by 5. 5 will cancel with 5, leaving me with y is equal to 85 divided by 5, which goes 13 times. And that's my answer because I've now completed both steps. In question B, I want to start by reading the question. Negative 4x divided by 9 is equal to 5. So my variable is x, and I'm going to think, what's happening to x? Well, it's timesing by negative 4, and then it's dividing by 9. So I want to do those two things in reverse. I want to work backwards. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to look and go, well, the opposite of time divided by 9 is times by 9. So I'm going to times this side by 9, and I'm going to times this side by 9. This 9 will cancel with the one on the bottom, which leaves me with negative 4x equal to 5 times 9, which is 45. The second step is, because I've done this first one, is to go the opposite of times negative 4 is divide by negative 4. Sorry, I'm running out a bit of room there. So I will divide this side by negative 4, and I will also divide this side by negative 4. This will cancel with this, leaving me with x is equal to 45 divided by negative 4, which is negative 11.2